Today we'll be looking at the quick two-tone smoothie tutorial. Strawberry, mango, half an avocado, dairy-free key lime yogurt. That's the one. Blood orange. Blend. Cherries, blueberries, second half avocado, cold pressed orange, pineapple, mango, apple. Alright, so that was like a little quick two-tone smoothie tutorial, just to give you guys some ideas of how to incorporate some healthy things into your diet. I'm not telling you what to eat, what not to eat. I'm not a specialist, but for me, the smoothies, they just do wonders. I do one or two a day. I might do another video incorporating some leafy greens, to enhance the health factors. But yeah, I just think that it helps with my overall mood, my skin, my hair. And, drinking water, staying active. Speaking of staying active, I've got my push-up chart here. Today's the 8th, so I do 5 sets of 20 a day, on top of going to the gym, typically 4 or 5 days a week. But I will keep you guys updated on that, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. If you want to dislike, there's the button for it. I wouldn't recommend it, but the option is there. And check out the link in the description for some products or music you might be interested in. And until next time, my old friends, still got the freeform bundled up too.